Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix EA Sports FC26 when it won't launch or keeps crashing on your PC. Whether your game closes immediately after opening, or it simply refuses to start, this step-by-step guide will walk you through to get your game running smoothly again. First, open Steam and go to your library. Right-click EA Sports FC26. Select Properties, then go to Installed Files, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will automatically check for missing or corrupted files and repair them. If you're using the EA app, click Manage, then select Repair and wait for the process to complete. After that, try launching the game to see if the problem is fixed. Next, after that, delete the local game files to remove any corrupted data. Press Windows plus R, type %local appdata%, and click OK. Find the EA Sports FC26 folder, right-click it, and select Delete, then try launching the game again. This often fixes crashes and startup issues. To make the process smoother, make sure your GPU drivers are up to date. Open Device Manager, expand Display Adapters, right-click your graphics card, and choose Update Driver. You can also use your GPU's dedicated software, like the NVIDIA app, to check for and install the latest drivers. If the game still doesn't launch, you may need to install the latest Visual C Redistributables. Install them, and then restart your PC. Finally, if none of that works, you can enable Secure Boot in your BIOS. Open Windows Settings, go to System, then Recovery, then Advanced Startup, and click on Restart Now. After rebooting, choose Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, then UEFI Firmware Settings, and restart into BIOS. Locate Secure Boot, usually under Security, Advanced, or Trusted Computing, enable it, press F10 to save, and restart your PC. And that's all there is to it. By following these 6 solutions step by step, you should be able to fix EA Sports FC26 not launching or crashing on PC. Thanks for watching this Delft Stack tutorial video. If it helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment letting me know which solution worked best for you. Why not help another gamer solve this problem too?